but for 20 bucks, this is a steal.
Hey guys, welcome back. I have a product here for you today. It is a wireless microphone set. The brand I'm not familiar with, but the reviews were good. I got it off of Amazon, and we're about to do a quick unboxing. I've already unboxed it. The sound quality is good, so I'm not using it for this video, but I will start to use it for my other videos. So let's go ahead and get that bad boy opened. And I got it on sale, I think for $19.90, $99 or so. So with a little discount. And as you can see, it has, we'll go over it. It has two microphones, two wireless lavaliers, and it also has, so as you can see, this is the device itself, and this is the charge cable. Don't really need to open this up, but I will just for the video. And it's USB type C, so you have type A to type C charge cable. Then you have the user manual in multiple different languages. So I've already read it. It does give you good tips, what the lights mean, but I'm gonna go through all of that. So, okay, so this is the screen. It did mention that when I purchased it that there are these felt, and now I found it. So this is a windscreen. Looks like it might be just one. Oh no, there's a second one. Cool. So there's two windscreens that come with it. That's fantastic. I actually didn't see that. So these are the windscreens. It looks like it's also magnetic. Get this guy out of the package. So this is the microphone system. It has charge on the bottom, and the microphones, which is kind of cool, which is why I wanted to do the video. The microphones sit in this charge compartment, so you can easily take the microphone out on that side. They're both magnetic, so they pop right back into this charge. And on the top, which is also magnetic, you have the receiver. So this guy plugs into your phone. This one is the lightning cable for people that still have the older iPhones like I do. And on this side, you have the USB type C, which is on all devices at this point. Even the iPhone 15 and 16 have this cable. So this is the USB type C, and this microphone system doesn't require any pairing or anything. It's not Bluetooth. It only works with these receivers. Oh, I forgot to mention, there is a pass-through. So once this is plugged in, you still also have a pass-through, which is kind of cool. So you can still charge the device, whether it's your iPhone or Android. So if you're doing content on your mobile phone like I do, you still have a pass-through to provide power. So this is the receiver. You plug this in and it will start capturing audio from your two microphones. So that's kind of cool. They're really light. There's not much to say about them. The microphone sits at the top. Let me go ahead and see how it works with, okay, so it does, but I feel like that could interfere with the sound quality because it sits directly on top of the microphone. So here's the magnet there, and it only attaches to the actual base of the microphone. But here it is again. now with the windscreen, as you can see. You can see that. And I believe the button is for toggling. So whether you want to turn this AI noise cancellation on or off, I found that it sounded better with it off. But it's super cool. Everything just packs nicely back into this compartment, and this thing's small. I mean, it fits in my hand. And this guy, I believe, 5 hours of recording, which is I would say amazing. You can do a lot of recording with 5 hours worth of battery life, so that's actually pretty nice. And on the front of it, you have the window that tells you the remaining battery life of the devices. I believe it's telling you the remaining power on this guy. So plug that in. Should be charging actually. There we go. And then you can see on both that it's now charging both devices. I have a red light on both. And it's super slim. I love this thing. And then that clicks in. So we have the lightning cable. And then just like that, it pops in. And then we're good to go. Both devices are recharging. And I have everything. I don't have to look for anything. Not sure, because I believe there is a compartment in here. It's not that deep. I believe it's just for it looks like it will only fit. So that means that the windscreens, you'll have to kind of figure out a way to transport those. But yeah, I just wanted to come out and give you guys a quick review. We can do quick sound check.
All right, so now I have the USB-C connected to my mobile phone, so it's blinking over here, and I have the microphone clipped on, and the audio is coming now from my lapel mic, my lavalier. And as you can see, the audio sounds good. I've tested it. I've went into the other room and the receiver picks up clearly. As you can see, that you can still hear my voice, and I'm well outside the kitchen. But for 20 bucks, this is a steal. 20 euro. And the compartment is just like the icing on the cake. It makes everything so easily. I've seen the other ones where you have to flip it open, put the devices back in, which is also, keeping the devices protected, and you have that compartment, everything's enclosed, everything will recharge. Like how much space it takes, the space-saving design, and the audio quality on the microphone, I think it's fantastic. So guys, if you thought this was very helpful, please consider giving me a like and subscribe. And I'm gonna really look forward to using this in my upcoming videos. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.